Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the viral earth zoom effect. So first, we need to download this app called Pixverse. So let's go to App Store and this one, you need to download this one. And then if you finish downloading it, just have to click open. And let's search for earth zoom. Yes. And as you can see, it appears here, use template. So you just have to click that one and then click the picture that you want to put and just click create. So as you can see, I have a finished product here. I'll show you. We were running through the night. Moon. We were running. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.